this way. Oh no, more freaky stairs. Oh, right. This is cool. Oh, I really like how they included that, like, handrail. Yeah. So that people won't fall. Wow, it's cold out here. For some reason, when you're low and there's no sunlight, it gets really cold. Feels like you're like in a freezer room or something. It's like, I love how they did this. Chilly. The railing. Alright, let's go. And everything, like a real cave. Well, I've seen them. Let's go. This is cold in here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's go down. I don't know if we can make it.
14-inch hole. Yeah, we can fit 14 inches.
Let's keep going. We're not supposed to go that way, I don't think.
Put your right shoulder through the opening. Proceed with body
we're supposed to go
sideways towards exit.
Backpack.
You have to take it off.
Here, everything, the mic is on there too. Careful. Careful, careful. Oh god, this is scary. I know. Like actually, wait, can I go? Can I get stopped? You can. Can you do it? Oh, I see the exit. All right, take the bag. Take the bag now that you're there. And then we'll... Oh my god, this is striking my close. I'm at the end. Nice. All right, wait there for us. Oh, the backpack's stuck. Is the mic on? No.
How about it?
Oh my gosh, oh my god. Oh my god. This is so tight. 14-inch hole, guys. 36 centimeters. I did it. I'm kind of stuck. Can somebody... Woo! Oh my god, it's cold in there. My hands are red. I'm going. No, it's not going. Careful, don't bump your head. Over us. It's over there, flying by Daddy. Now it's coming back over us. Wow. That's so cool. It's back. Psh. All right, let's go. The song. Suspension bridge in Ontario. too. All right.
Okay, hold it up.
Yeah.
I feel like we're not gonna get
Ready? Yep. Yep. Nothing left. Let's just clean it for them.
And right now we're like kind of matching them. My favorite one, the gold.
Are mine again? No.
And this was free. It's like, here, let me take it out.
Wait, this isn't a crystal. This is a crystal arrowhead.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. It's cool. It's an arrowhead. Wait, this is one of the fossils that it was talking about. Probably, maybe. Wait, no, this is a fossil. This is a fossil.
What do you think it is a fossil of?
I think it reminds me of like a burr. Like those like really sticky things that you find on plants.
This is the free thing. It's like, so you can attach it to a necklace. And it would be really pretty.
Can I see? Are there 3 of them? Oh wow.
They're huge. There was one like
Look,
this
there's
big.
one right there. One right there. See that? No. Wait, actually, I have 25 cents in my jacket in the car.
Perfect. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye-bye. 2.
Right now, we're at Blue Mountain Village to get some dinner.
We had an amazing time at Blue Mountain Scenic Caves. Bye, see you at the next adventure.